Whatever y'all do, don't kick him.
Keep your feet still.
Hold on to his shirt. Hold on to his shirt, Carl. Oh boy.
Wave. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Is Ryan okay? Oh, are you okay? Are you? I know. It's okay. Hey, come here. It's okay. It's okay. Come here. Hey, you just got the breath. Listen to me. You just got the breath knocked out of you. It's okay. We just put too many on. And somebody's leg kicked him.
Somebody kicked him.
When you kick him, it makes him jump. Okay? It's okay. It's okay. Take a breath. Now you can say you got